Imagine you're standing at a classic British dinner party. The atmosphere is quiet when suddenly someone breaks the silence with an incredibly awkward joke, then laughs loudly all on their own, surrounded by stunned stares from everyone else. In Britain, we call this the ultimate social faux pas. But have you ever asked yourself, why do some people who are so brilliant in their professional lives behave with such terrifying social ineptitude in their personal ones? Today, we will uncover the psychological story, both dark and promising, of a character named Alistair, and how he transformed from an isolated social being into someone who found his true place in the world. Alistair is a monster in sales. He could sell sand to the Arabs. But the moment he steps out of his office, he turns into someone desperately trying to imitate human beings. He chases after inside jokes and manufactures relationships just because they look perfect in his imagination. The psychological crisis here, according to behavioural psychology, is developmental affective stuntedness. Alistair never learnt what genuine connection looks like as a child, so he became an adult, 40-something in body, but with the social mind of a university freshman. He chases criteria instead of building bonds, and rejects the genuine loyalty available to him because it doesn't match the fantasy image in his head.
And here comes the shock, revealed by psychological research. Making a true friend requires between 50 to 200 hours of consistent communication and simply being together, without pretense or affectation. Alistair's problem was that he wanted instant friendships, like a takeaway meal. However, the turning point in his life began when he stopped trying so hard and stopped mimicking others. He let go of his fantasy idea of the perfect soulmate and began to notice a simple colleague at work who was always offering him help, genuinely, and without expecting anything in return.
Alistair decided to invest his 200 hours there. He started spending ordinary time with him. They would talk about football, about daily failures at work, without pretense or hackneyed jokes. And for the first time in his life, Alistair felt warmth. He no longer needed to be impressive. It was enough just to be himself. He finally realized that friendship isn't a computer code to be solved, but a safe space built over time and with patience. If you enjoyed Alistair's journey and his inspiring happy ending, it would be quite lovely if you could support us by pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Building bonds with all of you takes time too, and we would be absolutely delighted for you to be part of our digital family, following our upcoming journeys into the depths of human behaviour. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you know an Alistair in your real life?